Hello coastal crafters. So as you can see, I gave in and went to Aldi and I bought the mini die cutting machine. So it wasn't $19.99, it's now $13.99. So that's slightly better, isn't it? So I have actually been wanting a small die cutting machine for a little while, just to be a bit more handy, because I've got like the A4 big shot, so to have something small I thought would be beneficial. $13.99 is not that bad, is it? So I've not opened this up yet. I'm going to open it up now, have a look and see if it's actually worth £14, because that's what $13.99 is. First of all, you need to figure out how to open the box. Haha. Trying to think if I bought many crafty products from Aldi. I love to go around Aldi and look at the different central aisles. Same goes for Lidl. I just can't resist. So here we go. Let's get rid of all the packaging. We'll try and recycle that later, as much as can be recycled. So pop those bits. This is our little machine. That's quite nifty, isn't it? It looks like it's got some kind of suction pads that will suction it on. I can probably handle without it being suctioned on. So nice and iddy. And you may be thinking, well, you're just going to be stuck having to try and buy more die cutting plates. But I considered that. I thought about that and I thought, well, you know what? They give you 2 Bs for a start, A and 2 Bs. It's a bit like someone's A-level results, not mine. But I do think that you could still use the same things like this one cut down. They're going to be the same, aren't they? There we go. There goes all your visibility. Let's compare size. This one is fractionally bigger. So we need to think about that. You can also buy small ones anyway, but we'll see. I will think about that. I still feel like I could cut something up to make it. You get the instructions, 6 pieces starter set. Shows you how to do it. It's not going to take a genius, is it, to work it out? Yep, pretty sure we're sorted on how to do that. So it comes with this die. That's kind of cute. It's a flower. And I was thinking that flower making would be a good one for using a small die, because they're just lots of little pieces, aren't they? And using the big one, and sometimes think is a waste of time. And that's pretty, isn't it? I actually like that embossing folder. As I say, I don't often use embossing folders, but why not? I am presuming that with the embossing folder, you probably don't need 2 plates. Let's have a look. They're saying that you still do. Oh no, embossing layers, thin plate B and thin plate B. So you don't need your thick plate A. Oh, I see, this one's thicker. Don't cut into this one's what they're saying. Make sure you only cut into the thin one that's going to be more easily replaceable. Of course. Right, that's going to go through like that. So ultimately, how good is it? What paper shall we die cut? Let's try and get a bit more light on the action. This is pretty, isn't it? Let's use this pretty blue one. So I first of all need to cut it to size, obviously. So we'll just give it a quick old trim down there. And then let's have a go. What do I do with that B plate? It's a good thing they've labelled them, otherwise who knows what would be happening. I'm going to put it on top for no apparent reason. That ain't going to work, is it? 2 B plates. Where's my other one? Right, here we go. Moment of truth. Is it going to... I mean, if it didn't do it, it'd be pretty rubbish, wouldn't it? So I'm assuming it will do it. That was quick. That's pretty. I do think that's pretty. That's a nice embossing folder, actually. Very garden-like. Lovely. And I'm assuming that that may well match this die that they've given. And presumably the little tiny bits in there are tiny flowers and petals. But why have they made that so impossible to open? And I will have to put that away very quickly or I'm going to completely lose that. So it needs to cut into, as we've just learnt, into plate B, as plate B is the cheaper one. I'm obviously not like that underneath. Right, so I've got A, I've got my die, I've got my bit of paper, I've got plate B. What am I missing? Can't think of anything. So let's just go for it. That is super quick. I know it's not exciting, is it? Like, obviously. But to me, when I've had a big plate and they're thinking, that is really just handy. That's a cute die, actually. Once sort of styled up, that would look cute. Would that look cute on here? Why is my lighting so bad? This happens when you do it in the daytime. So if it went on there, curled up a bit, something in the centre, that could be a cute card. So my first feeling, don't be panicked that it cuts into. There's no way around that, really. Obviously I'll be sad. I love a nice clean thing, but it is what it is. And that's how die cutting machines work. So this one I will be putting somewhere safe. I'll be trying to make sure I get my die plates the correct way around. But so far, I love it. £14, bargain. It's got a bit of weight to it. It feels more substantial to when I've looked at the other little ones that are out there. So I'm happy. Well done, Aldi. Also, whilst I was in there, I picked up this one. Not £2.99, they're down to £1.99. So I picked up the Rotary cutter, as I don't own one of those. So let's have a quick look and see if this is worth purchasing. Ah, man, these are hard to get out, aren't they? So you get your spare blade, is what I'm presuming that is. Right, here we go. I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, how's that going to cut? Because you've got a bit of plastic there. Do they give us instructions? I need instructions. I need instructions for this. I was all right with the die cutting machine, but now you've got given me this. I'm like, I have no idea how to do it. I am assuming that this plastic bit comes off, otherwise that is just, it's not going to be very effective, is it? Talk amongst yourselves. What am I doing wrong here? I know I'm just putting it back on again now, just because that plastic bit doesn't seem to come off. Oh, hello. Of course. You just pull it down. Right, here we go. Here we go. That's for safety, people. So you pull the plastic bit down. Sorry about that, everybody. So you can push the plastic bit up for safety and pull it down to cut. That's, you know, I'm just not used to safety. That's what it's all about. So where is my cutting mat? Is always a good question. The utter chaos that you can hear falling all over the place. Right, we are going to get there. Okay, takes a little bit of force. That's fine. All good things take a little bit of force, don't they? Let's try and do it a bit better with a ruler so we get a nice straight line. Yeah, that could definitely come in handy. £1.99 anyway, so do I think that's worth £1.99? I don't know. I think I need to use it for longer and check and see how long it lasts. But if you're interested, that is in Aldi right now. Here's your packaging. It says £2.99, but they're charging £1.99. And of course, the die cutting machine, which I'm already liking, from the So Crafty range, was £19.99 and now is £13.99. And whilst you're in there, they do lots of tasty treats as well that I really like. Pick me up something. Brilliant. I will speak to you soon. Bye.